live in an apartment building. Would you be able to service me? Absolutely. We love to serve customers that are in apartments or multifamily housing. If there is any difficulty accessing, we need to definitely talk through if there's a dial box we can use or a door code. That helps us enormously. Some of our customers will bring the laundry down to a lobby. The other thing is parking can be an issue sometimes in downtown areas, so we appreciate any insights you have about where we can park our van. If there's no parking, sometimes we may ask you to wait for our call and bring the laundry down to us, but we can talk about how that would work for your situation. But love to service customers in apartment buildings and hopefully convince your neighbors to use the service as well, and we can pick up everybody's at once.